Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the batteries of your DJI Air 2S. So first of all, to do this we have to open this upper propellers. So let's open the left and the right one, and as you can see we can find the buttons right here attached to the battery, so we have to grab them, squeeze and lift the battery. Right now I can find right here the second battery, and basically we have to put these pins to these pins inside. So put it like that and then just press on it. And right now it's back on the place, and right now we can press on this button to check actually the battery charging level. Each dot stay for the 25% of the battery, so this one it's actually above the 50%. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.